How to fix Cyberpunk 2077 not using GPU on Windows. 1. Make sure you're using a CPU with integrated graphics. 2. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Change graphics performance preference by adding Cyberpunk 2077 launcher into graphics settings. Like this. Note that you better select high performance. 4. Install all Windows